Having the consumer have the right to be able to repair their vehicle, change their oil, do whatever they want to do wherever they want to do it is a huge issue facing this country.
Every motorist should have the right to choose where they repair their vehicle. Every farmer, every rancher, every small business that relies on any kind of movement, whether it's a combine, a pickup truck, a big rig, a car, they need to be able to repair those vehicles so they can keep Texas moving.
The Repair Act is really important to us because not just for us to be able to repair vehicles, but it also helps our customers have the security and confidence that the vehicle they have, they can get fixed where they want.
Allow the independent repair shop to be able to repair the vehicle, allow you as a consumer who owns the vehicle to be able to take it wherever you want to get it fixed.
It really just comes down to choice, and it's choice for our consumers. They get to pick. That's all we're asking. Let our consumers choose.